Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can order food in HungerStation. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply tap open your HungerStation app, and once you open it, you need to now select your location. So once you have selected your location as well, you need to tap on select, and then you will end up in the home page of your account. So now all you need to do is simply scroll down below and tap on any restaurant you want to order from, and once you have selected your restaurant, all you need to do is simply select an order. So to select an order, you need to scroll down below the menu, and once you are in the menu section, you need to select the specific order you want to select or order. So once you have done this, you need to tap on the add option and then tap on view cart. After doing this as well, you will now be redirected to your other option section as well. Now simply tap on your checkout button after you have selected your payment option and your delivery address. If you have coupon code, you can simply tap on it and add a coupon code as well. So this is how you can order food in HungerStation. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.